Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about what are numbers, how they are formed, and how to identify the larger number and the smaller number. In this class, we will discuss if the digits are given, some digits are given, how to form the largest number and smallest number. Okay? Use the given digits. Use the given digits without repetition. Without repetition. And make the greatest and smallest four-digit numbers. Four-digit numbers. First one, 2, 8, 7, 4. So ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಿತೌಟ್ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್, ಯಾವ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರದು, ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ 4-digit ನಂಬರ್, 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, when the digits are given, if they were asked to make the greatest number, asked to make the greatest number ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು you have to arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ digits ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You understand? Descending order. This is very important. Okay? ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ digits ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ descending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so the descending order of these digits are, first which one we will write, 8, after 7, 4, 2. Is this right? Descending order ಇದೆಯಾ, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 8, 7, 4, 2. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. So ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ನ 8874 ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು, because without repetition no digits should be repeat, so this is not allowed. Okay, so one digit will come only one time. So this is the greatest 4-digit number. Clear? Next, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ smallest number ನ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, in reverse order we have to write. If you write the reverse order, then it will be which order? Ascending order. Smallest number, for smallest number we have to write order. So which is ascending order here? You just write this one 2 first. After that 4, 7, 8. Right? This is smallest 4-digit number. These two are the numbers in that. This one is greatest 4-digit number. 8742 and 2478. These two are the required numbers that we form using these digits. Let's see one more example. Second one. 9, 7, 4, 1. Okay? So, to write the greatest number in which order we have to write? Descending order. So 9 we write first, 4, 7, 4, 1. The given digits are itself in the descending order. Right? 9, 7, 4, 1. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Okay? The smallest 4-digit number is 1. You write first. 4, 7, 9. Right? This is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay? 9741 is the greatest 4-digit number and 1479 is the smallest 4-digit number. Let's see one more example. 4, 7, 5, 0. Here also 4 digits are given. We should not repeat any digits. We have to form a greatest and smallest. So you have to arrange the digits in descending order for greatest number, right? 7 after 5, after that 4, 0. Right? This is in descending order. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Okay? Next we will find smallest 4-digit number. For smallest 4-digit number, if you write 0, 4, 5, 7, this is long. In previous case, we have found out a number. If this is a larger number. Using these 3 digits, to write the smallest number, we have written in reverse order. That is 1, 2, 3. Right? If we write here 0, 4, 5, 7, this is not a 4-digit number. This is not a 4-digit number. This is a 3-digit number. In the last class, I already told this. Okay? This is a 3-digit number. So therefore, 0 will not come first. Which one we have to write first? 4 we have to write first. After that 0. You have to interchange this one. After that 0. 4 after 0. Then as usual 5, 7. This is the smallest 4-digit number using these digits. Once again I will repeat you. See, after 5, after 4, after that 0. Greatest 4-digit number is over. So 4 I have to write first. If you write 0, then it will become a 3-digit number. Here 4 digit we have to find out, right? So 4 after 0, 5, 7. Which order we are following here? Ascending order, right? When you have 0 in the given digits, you should be very careful, right? Okay. Make the greatest and the smallest. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. Observe here, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. 4-digit number only we have to form here also. The first case also we have formed 4-digit number. But one condition is given here, by using any one digit twice. You can use any one of the digit twice. Okay? So first one is 3, 8, 7. So only 3 digits are given here. We have to form 4-digit number. Okay? Which number we have to repeat? Let's see. To form the greatest number, the greater digit. So this is the greater digit, right? 8 we have to repeat 2 times. 8. After that, which number we are forming first? Greatest. For greatest, 8 is over, right? So which are the 2 digits remaining? 3 and 7. Which order we have to write? 7, 3. That is descending order, right? So this is the largest or greatest 4-digit number. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಯು ರಿಪೀಟ್ 7, after 8 and 3 you will write, this is greater or this one? This one is greater. 8873 is greater than 7783. So therefore this number will not come. So the greater number we will repeat 2 times, because we can repeat any one digit twice, right? So 8873 is the greatest 4-digit number. Then what about smallest 4-digit number? To write smallest 4-digit number, 3 we have to write. 3, 2 times we have to write. Twice means 2 times. Okay? 3. After that, we are writing which number? Smallest number. For smallest number, which order we have to follow? Ascending order. 3 is over. So what is the ascending order of 8 and 7? Which one will come first? 7 will come first. After that, 8. So this is the smallest 4-digit number using these digits, making any one digit twice. Smallest 4-digit number. Okay, so clear? Let's see one more example. 9, 0, 5. Okay, to form a great list we have to write which number? 9. The digit 9 we will write 2 times. After that 5 and 0 are remaining. Which order we have to write? Descending order. In descending order 5 will come first. After that 0. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? 9 ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 2 ಸತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. 2 ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? 2 ಸತಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 9 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Still 2 digits are remaining, that is 0 and 5. To write 0 and 5 in descending order, 5 will come first, after that 0. This is the largest or greatest 4-digit number. Okay, next, what about smallest 4-digit number? If we write 0 2 times, after that 9 and 5 will remain. If we write 5 9, is this the smallest? No, we can't write like this, because if we write 0 2 times, after that 5 and 9 will return. This is a 2-digit number. It's a 2-digit number, since 0059 is 59 only. It's same as 59. So 59 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, we have to write which number we have to write? 5 we have to write. How many times we can write? 2 times we can write. So 5 over. So what are the remaining digits? 9 and 0, right? Can we write 0 after 9? Is it right? No, we can't write. Is it not? See, I'll write 5 once. If I write 0 2 times, okay, 9 after, this number is smaller than this one. You have to find out the very smallest number. So 5009. Can we write this? Yes, we can write like this. 5009. Here we have to confirm which number we have to repeat. We have to confirm which number we have to repeat. 5 will write first, after that 0 will repeat, 9, 5 and 0, 9 is remaining, so 9 will write in the units place. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. I already told you, when you have 0, you should be very careful, right? Let's see one more example. 0 4 9. 0 4 and 9. 3 digits are given here. So which number we have to repeat for the greatest number? 9 will repeat. So 9 we will write 9 2 times. After that 4 we will write, because descending order 4. After that 0. This is the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. In the same way, smallest 4-digit number. Which number we have to write first? 4, but we will not write 4 2 times, because 0 is here. 0 we will write 2 times. After that 9 we will write. This is the smallest 4-digit numbers. 4-digit number. This is how the greatest and smallest conditions. Whatever the conditions are given in the question, we have to use that condition. So what is that condition? We can repeat a number twice. So here 9, the digit 9 here we have repeated. Here we have repeated 0. Which one we have to repeat? That should be important. Next, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. Here, see, make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number. Greatest and smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits. Different means the digits should not repeat. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So we can form 1234 and 4321 like this. We can't write like this. 4432, 4431 like this. We can't write. So that is the meaning of different digits means no digits should be repeat. Okay? Here only condition is given. They will not give any digits. So first one. So what is the condition? Let's see. Digit 7 is always at one's place. Digit 7 is always at one's place. Greatest and smallest. Okay? Here condition digits 7 ಅನ್ನೋದು ones place ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ones place ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ones place ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. That means 7 and 7. Right? Greatest number. So if I write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits we have to use. Okay? You know that for greatest number we have to start from, if the digits are not given, we have to start from 9. From 9 we will start because we have to arrange the digits in descending order. So first number is 9 we will write. After 8 we will write. 7 we should not write. 7 already it is over. It is in one's place. Then which number we will write here? 6 we will write. Is that clear? 9. After that 8 we will write. 7 is already present. Then 6 we will write. Next, smallest number. First smallest number, if you write from 0, if you write, if you put 0 here, that will not become a 4-digit number. Already we know that, right? So after 0, what we have? 1 we have. 1 we can use here. 1. After that we can write 0. Right? Then, so 0 is over, 1 is over. We are arranging in ascending order. After that, 2 we will write. Is that clear? This is the smallest and this is the greatest number that we have found using this condition. Let's see one more example. Digit 4 is always at tens place. So here also we have found 4-digit number using the condition digit 4 is always at tens place. So greatest and smallest number. So that contains 4 digits. So both the numbers are of 4 digits. The condition is in both the numbers 4 should be in which place? Tens place. 4. Here also 4. Okay. For greatest number, we will start from 9. Right? 9. After that, 8. After that, descending order. 9, 8, 7. We can't write here, but we can write here. Clear? 9. We have to write first 9. After that, descending order of 9 is 8. Then 4 is already present in tens place. In ones place, we write 7. Next, come to the smallest number. From 0 we can't write. If you write 0, then it will become a 3-digit number. Here they were asked to find out a 4-digit number. Right? So from 1 we will start. So 1. After that we will write 0. Then after 0 and 1 over 2. Right? 1 we can't write here. 1 is already over. 0 also we can't write. So this is the smallest number that we have found using these conditions. Okay? 1042. 1042. Next, digit 9. Digit 9 is always at hundreds place. Digit 9. Here the condition is digit 9 is always at hundreds place. So our greatest number and smallest number that consists 4 digits. Here also 4 digits. Okay. So condition is 9 is always at 100 place. Ones, tens, 100. 9 is here. Here also 9. So greatest means start from 9. 9 is already over. Okay. Here again we can't write 9 because different. No digit should be repeat. 8 we have that. 8, then 7, after that 6. Okay, 8,976. In the same way, we will write here. We write 1 to that, 0 we write 2. This is the smallest and largest digits. Using this condition, we have found 4-digit number.